Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to all of my lovely friends and family. I hope you are all in the best state of health with Sunday man. Welcome to Iwachachi Kitchen. In today's video, Bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, I'm going to be showing you how to make this lovely, tasty, and yummy fried rice that I make on Eid. This will serve to between 20 to 25 people. So I'm going to start by blending in the onion. Not blending the onion, chopping the onion. So Bismillah, let's get going. While chopping the onion, pan was also put on the cooker. Ten cups of rice, 200 grams of butter. I use butter while cooking fried rice because it adds to the flavor and the taste of the food. Wash the rice properly. This will take about 5 to 6 washing. 200 ml of oil was added and I let it fry for 2 minutes. Then I'm adding in the onion. While this is frying, I continue washing the rice. After frying the onion for 2 minutes, I then add the rice. So I'm going to fry the rice for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. One-fourth of minced herb was added. One-fourth of that's you can see. And half of this will be curry is also added. When I mix it, and I'll make sure the water is dry from the rice. 20 of ordinary Normandy was soaked inside warm water and blend. The rice has finished frying. If you are okay with the color of the rice, you don't need to add turmeric. But if you're not, you need to add like 2 teaspoons of turmeric. And you mix well. This will change the color to yellow, kind of. Also, I'm going to be adding in the Maggi water. And I'll let it stir fry again. That has been frying for 5 minutes, so I'm going to reduce the oil now. That's it. I'm going to add another, that's 500 ml of stock water. You can use either beef or chicken stock water. And I will reduce the heat so that the rice can steam boil for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, I add in 1 liter of boiled water to this. And I'm going to mix well and leave it on medium heat to steam boil. That's after 20 minutes, but the rice is still quite hard. So I'm going to add additional 1 liter of water to this. I've had the 1 liter water, so I'm going to mix well and continue cooking. This is the look of the rice after finished mixing. So I'm going to cover it now. This is after additional 15 minutes. So the next is to transfer this to the oven so that the water can dry off completely while I prepare the vegetable. I'll be using 20 chili and I'm going to be cutting it into that size. Also, I've got spring onion. I'm going to be using about 15 of them. For this part, I'm going to be using the white bit and the top of the green part. I will also be adding the chili pepper. The oil that I'm using to stir fry this is 2 tablespoons. Next, I'm adding in the mixed veg. That's 3 kg of mixed veg. I finished stir frying the vegetable. It takes like 2 minutes, so I'm going to add it to the rice now. I've took the rice out of the cooker, so I'm adding in the vegetable. I finished mixing, so I'm going to transfer it back to the oven. If you want to add any chicken, prawns, or any protein, this is the time you add it. So, but because I'm only adding little chicken, I can leave it like this, but I'm adding little chicken to this. So I'll show you when I add it. I decided to use this Perfect Choice Chinese chicken salad. It's meant for pizza, so I stir fry it for 5 minutes. So I'm going to add it to the rice now. This is the time to add the spring onions.